Ê, đó là chắc con dưỡng nạc ấy. Ăn rổ tê tê xí. Đuổi nung ăn nung phải thùng tên mò thì làm sao cả nó về tụi cái tê. Dạo ăn nuam lo xí.
I'm start my first inspection. In front of door, in front of truck, clearance light and headlight. Sorry, clearance light, turn signal and forward flash up work properly. No cut, no
Rồi
cut. Headlights, low beam, high beam work properly. No broken, no cut. And under the truck is no leakage, no drip from engine and transmission. The truck is not lining right, left. After that, is open the hoodie and plug reservoir, power steering wheel and engine oil, proper one secondly, no broken, no cut, and all cap is second. My string gearbox. My string gearbox is now broken, now missing, was when not leakage. And my
tôi thì chụp con san lại mà.
second
Thì chụp thì ta sẽ chết thằng
my
gì.
string openers,
Đó thì chụp đặt.
string linkage, Hitman arm, drag link, nickel, lug nut, nickel,
Tie rope.
and tie rod. Is proper mount secondly, now broken, now rod, and spring mount front and back. Proper mount second, now broken, now and leaf spring. Leaf spring is not shifting, proper mount set and not illegal welding. The second one is shock absorber. Shock absorber is bottom on top is proper mount secondly and no leak. And my front brake chamber. My front brake chamber is proper mount second, now broken, now. And my drum brake is no greasy, no oil, proper mount second, now missing bolt and second. My hose and line. My hose and line is AVC. No option, no plug, no cut, no leak. And my airlines. My airline is worked properly. AVC. No option, no plug, no cut, no leakage. And my tire. My tire is ICD. ICD. High finish influence condition. My tire condition is good, no broken, no cut, no leakage. My depth is 4/32. And my rim is proper one secondly, now cut, now broken. And my leg nut is fully tight and now shine, now missing bolt.
Yeah. It's,
Rim.
no illegal welding.
Yeah, no
no
illegal
spider
welding.
clock.
Yeah. And my driver side door. My driver side door is traffic monitoring. Is properly on securely. And my battery, my electrical battery is, the cable is fully tight, securely, and my cover box is proper one second, now broken, now cut. And my marker light. My marker light is properly mount secondly, now broken, now cut. And this marker light is two function, turn signal and forward flash. That is my depth tank and my full tank. Properly mount secondly, now cut, now broken. And the cab is secondly. After that is my airline from back tractor up to trailer is proper one secondly. My airline is AVCM, no option, no plug, no cut, no leak, no illegal tape. My electrical line is proper one secondly, no broken, no cut, no illegal tape. And my frame, huh? Glanded.
The one holding the hoses.
I say from back tractor and front trailer is proper cycle. Rear line proper cycle from here up to just, and my frame is proper cycle, not broken, not cut, and not illegal wheelie. And my cross member is proper cycle, not cut, not broken, not illegal wheelie. And my trailer frame is up and bottom is proper cycle, not cut, not broken. And DOT reflector, DOT sticker or reflector sticker is a good condition and clean. And my trailer cross member is proper cycle, and roof no burnt, no dent, no hole, and no leak. After that, coupling. My coupling is proper cycle, is platform is proper cycle, no broken, no cut. My raised hand proper cycle and lock position. My skid plate is fully greasy and fully greasy, and no landing gear, such landing gear. The apron, my apron is straight line in the skid plate, is no gap. And my locking jaw is fully closed, locking position. My king beam is no broken, no cut. And after that is my landing gear and frame is proper cycle, no broken, no cut. My release hand is proper cycle in lock position. My side light is proper cycle, not broken, no cut, no missing. And the amper color, this one two function, turn signal and four-way flashing. Forgot this one, my tandem and reels are my lock pin, proper cycle, not broken, not cut, not illegal welding. And my release hand and lock pin is lock position. My ABS light proper cycle, not broken, not cut, and properly amper color. Side light is now here. This my side light and back light. My back light is proper cycle, not cut, not broken. From this side and upside, the backlight is the four-way function. Tail light, brake light, turn signal, and four-way flasher. Yeah, tail light is back up in the red color. I'm done.